This is my the semi-hot process I did. Oh my god, the soap was so beautiful and smooth, like very very smooth. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I didn't even expect it. This is beautiful. Look at it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. And I got a soap mold in my house. I used it for this to see what I'll get. So this is it. So beautiful. This is it. This is it. So beautiful. Oh my god, smooth and beautiful. This is it. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you so much. The soap is actually smooth, very smooth. Let me mold one so that you see. Wow. This is my first time of trying the semi-hot process, and I'll be selling these ones for 15 naira. I already have someone ready to buy them. I'll be selling them for 15 naira. Selling them for 15 naira. This is so beautiful. I did half of this cup because now, Abba, they will always want to price you down for everything. Wow, this is lovely. This is beautiful. Beautiful soap. Look at it. Wow. 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 Thank you so much. This soap is more than smooth. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. These ones are the rough ones. Now when the soap, after pouring those liquid ones inside here, those ones that was about blocking. These are the ones. Those ones that was about blocking. I just had to quickly put them in here. We use it for my washing. Yeah. Thank you so much. This soap is very smooth and fine. I followed your process like accordingly. Though I may not be 100% like you, but practice, they say, makes perfect. Thank you so much. Look at the soap. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.